Hello friends, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I am going to give you the solutions for the course Programming Data Structures and Algorithms using Python of week 1 quiz. So let's go to the first question. What is the value of f of 2343 for the following function? So they gave a code and they're asking f of 2343. So for this, I'm going to show you the proof of the answer. So here is the proof. So if you clearly observe, I have taken the code they have given and I have printed the required one, f of 2343. So the answer I got is 8. So f of 2343 answer is 8. So let's get back to the assignment and I'm going to zoom this for you. So the answer is 8. So moving on to second question, what is h of 53 minus h of 52 given the definition of h below? Same type of question given. They are asking the value of h of 53 minus h of 52. So for this two I am giving you the solution clearly. So if you see here, I have taken the code they have given and I have printed the required one, h of 53 minus h of 52. So we have got the answer 5. So let's get back again. I'm zooming this. So the answer is 5. Sorry, 5. And moving on to the third question. For what integer value of n would g of 92 comma n returns 13? So they have given the code. I will show you the clear proof so that you can understand the question also. So this is the one. So if you clearly observe here, they are asking for what value of n, then 92 comma n will give 13 as output. So if n value is 7, that means here if n value is 7, then we get output 13. So they are asking not output value, they have given already output value 13. So for what value of n they are asking? So 92 comma, it is for value 7. So for the value of 7 we will get 13. So if you see this, so for value of n is 7, then we will get 13 as output from the return function. So the final question of this assignment, that is fourth question, consider the following function mys. So they have given a code. So if you see the option, assuming we always pass an integer, that means we are not specifying whether it is positive, negative or 0, it is an integer. So let's see the options. The function always terminates means output the factorial of n. So if you take any value inside mys, it will give factorial of n. So let's see this once. So friends, if you see here, I have given 4 as the argument for mys function. It gave 24. It is correct answer because 4 factorial means 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, which means 24. So but if you see here, there are different options. Everything is a argument, but if you see this fourth option, the function terminates for positive n value, that will give n factorial. Here we have tested only for positive. Here 4 is a positive number. For positive number it gave the n factorial, but we have to see that for negative value and also for zero value it gives factorial or not. So let's see that. So friends, if you see this, for negative value, it is not giving the n factorial output. And also for 0, that means non-negative integer, 0 is also non-negative integer along with positive integers. So for 0 also it is not giving the factorial, 0 factorial, it is giving error. So once look at the options, the function always terminates with uh, n factorial. So it is not correct, it is not correct, because for negative and 0 values it is not working, only for positive. And the second option, the function gives output 1 plus 2 plus n. No, it is not correct, because for 4 we should, by this way we should get 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4. That means 10, but we are not getting 10, we are getting 24. So it is also wrong option along with first option. And for third option, for non-negative we should get n factorial. 0 is also non-negative, but we got error, so it is also not option. So the function terminates for positive n value. So before we have taken 4, which is a positive integer, we got n factorial 24 for 4. So it is the correct answer. So mark option 4. Fourth option is the correct answer for fourth question. So friends, these are the solutions regarding Python for Python data structures assignment. So hope you feel the video is helpful for you. If you feel the same, please subscribe our channel. Keep supporting us like this. Like the video and share to your friends. Until then, goodbye. Thank you.